A cloudy, mild day ahead, outbreaks of rain in the north, and the outlook remains very mild. I'll have all the details of that and more coming up on Good Morning Britain.
Wednesday, 13th.
Poor Ed, he's not boring. Now, what also isn't boring is the weather. It has been keeping us on our toes because it's just been so mild, and we stay mild for the next few days. Our air is being drawn way from the mid-Atlantic all the way across our shores, and we stay on the warm side of the jet stream. But where the jet stream divides the warm and the cold... Good morning to you. We stick with the mild theme of weather as we head through the next few days. But why? Well, it is down to the position of the jet stream. It divides the mild and the cold. And in between the two is where the jet stream sits. And it sits to the north of us as we head through most of this week. And it means the feed of air continues to come from the mid-Atlantic, which means our temperatures will be above average. But it also brings with it, at times, spells of rain. And we have a band of rain dividing the country today. For southern areas, it's cloudy and mild. In the north, it is brighter, but that bit fresher. So here's how it looks this morning. This is our weather front. It is a cold front. To the south of that, we're in what we call broad, warm sector conditions. So overcast, cloudy, grey, dull, damp, drizzly. To the north of it, brighter fortunes, but a fresher feel as well. So as we head through the day, this band of rain for northern England and North Wales continues. It feeds from the southwest, extensive mist and hail fog developing. But to the north of it, sunshine for Scotland and Northern Ireland. A few showers for the far northwest of Scotland, but temperatures here 10 to 12 degrees in the south with the cloudier, milder conditions. We're talking 15, maybe 16, but glimmers of the return of some brightness later on this afternoon. How do things pan out as we head through the next 7 days? Well, I guess the question is it a day to be naked because of the weather? Well, it is looking very mild, but you might want to add a few layers and grab an umbrella for some areas, sunglasses for others, because the weather is changing. Today, we have cloud in the north, south, brighter further north, but there is a band of rain around as well. This is the soggy scene greeting us this morning. Mild for England and Wales, exceptionally mild, and it stays that way for much of this week. But a band of rain for central areas will be heavy at times with drizzly conditions, mist and hill fog for Wales and northern England. Brighter for Scotland and Northern Ireland, and top temperatures today, 15 degrees. The weather is anything but boring, as are you, Ed, and I've made a card to prove it. You'll get it later. Now, weather-wise, things are changing. It's been very mild for many of us. It's been cloudy, grey, dull and damp, but brighter conditions moving in across northern areas as we head through the day today. So, a weather front divides the country, northern England and Wales. Good morning to you. The weather remains mild and cloudy for many of us, but glimmers of a little more sunshine around across the north today than we've been used to over the last few. Here's how it looks this morning. A weather front divides the country. So for northern England, northern areas of Wales, it is cloudy with outbreaks of rain. To the south of it, it is cloudy and mild. To the north of it, we'll see something a little bit drier, brighter and fresher moving in as we head through the day, because this is a cold front, so behind it, cooler, fresher air. So Scotland and Northern Ireland, sunny spells, the odd light shower across the northwest, and temperatures moderating a little from recent days, 10 to 12, but overcast, grey, dull and damp for northern areas of England, Wales and the southwest, mist and hill fog here. Breezy through the southern and western coast, but the clouds break in the south and east, and another mild day ahead, top temperatures 15 degrees.